It's a big problem when people try and lose weight. If they're not aware of it, they can be doing a bit of harm. The amount of people I know who have lost a lot of weight and then gained it all back and some, because the body does not discriminate. So if you don't stimulate it correctly and you go into a massive calorie deficit, which is what most people do when they want to lose weight, they try to do it as quickly as humanly possible. So they go into food calorie deficit and then add on to that something like running, which is insanely good at burning calories. You know, it's one of the best ways to burn calories. And then you go into a huge caloric deficit and the body won't discriminate. It will go, okay, I need to get rid of some of the tissue that's requiring all of this energy. Usually it will get rid of fat mass and muscle mass at the same rate. And that's a big problem because it's your muscle mass that helps to sort of govern your metabolism. By that I mean how much energy your body consumes throughout the day. Muscle mass is a living tissue, just like organs, and it is very, very caloric dependent. It requires energy to survive. So it's a very good thing to make yourself more metabolically flexible. And I've got friends that do this and exercise it, but they go into ketosis 2 or 3 times a week. They push the boundaries of that, which is very difficult to do. You have to be practicing strict keto diets and bouncing back and forth between carbohydrate and fat. And so I'm going to go so far as to say that the majority of people that we're talking to or that are watching this, unless you're training specifically for metabolic flexibility, that means that you're doing days of the week where you don't consume carbohydrate or sugar at all, you're just consuming fat and protein, then you're going to be very efficient at metabolizing muscle mass when you start to run.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.